Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Midea 584 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll discuss about the features. The key features are capacity 584 liters, good for large families. Compressor type, non-inverter compressor. Defrosting type, frost-free auto fridge defrost to stop ice built up. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, type side by side, refrigerator type side by side refrigerator, defrosting type frost free, capacity 584 liters, number of doors 2, performance feature airflow type multi airflow, temperature control electronic or digital touch. Coming to the warranty, 1 year comprehensive warranty and 10 years on compressor from Midea. Cost price 49,999 rupees only. To order this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dreamview channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.